Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, it's 29th July and this is World Lipstick Day. So to celebrate this day, today I'm gonna share my top 5 lipstick hacks with you guys. So this is a collaboration video with L'Oreal Paris and I'm gonna use their Rouge signature lipstick for this video. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, I have done my base makeup and filled up my brows, and now I'm gonna use these L'Oreal Rouge signature lipsticks for rest of my makeup. So I'll start with my contour, and for contour I choose the shade number 130, which is Amaze. It's a orangish brown shade. So hack number 1 is, if you have any brown shade, you can use it as your contour. You can use this particular shade as your color corrector, or if you have more brown shade, then you can use this as your brow product. I'll show you the shade, and that is how the shade looks like. And guys, it's a brown, orangish brown shade, and that's why I choose this as my contour shade. Guys, it blends very well, and this is for the first time I'm using particular this shade as my contour shade, and yeah, I'm quite impressed. Next, move on to the hack number 2, and for my blush I'm gonna use this pink shade, and this is in the shade 128 I Decide. I'll show you the shade. That is how the shade looks like. It is a very bright pink shade, and guys, I really love to use particular this shade as my cheek tint. I used a lot this lipstick as my blush. So yeah, I'm gonna use this lipstick as my blush. Guys, the formula of the lipstick is kind of lip tint, and I really like how it looks on my cheeks, and it stays on my cheeks for long. So that is the final come out, and that is how the lipstick looks on the apple of my cheeks. I really like the color, and I really enjoy this shade as my eyeliner, as my pink eyeliner. So that is the hack number 3. I'm gonna use this particular shade as my pink eyeliner, and guys, a lot of you asked me about my pink eyeliners, so yeah, that is one of the secret of my pink eyeliner. So guys, that is how the lipstick looks on my eyes. Actually guys, I really like to enjoy to wear this kind of funky pink liner shades, and if you want to try this kind of funky pink eyeliners, then you can use any of your pink lipstick. And guys, the shade, the lip shade 128 I Decide is one of my funky pink eyeliner shade. Now let's move on to the hack number 4, and now I'm gonna apply lipstick on my lips. For my lips, I choose the shade number 115, which is I Am Worth It, and it is kind of a red shade, and today I want to create kind of gradient lips, but how? Please keep on watching. So at first I'm gonna apply the lipstick a little bit on the center of my lips, and then blend it with my fingers. Now I'm applying a little bit of concealer just to smudge the outline of my lips. So guys, the last and the fifth hack is bindi. And guys, there is a tradition of wearing red bindi in our Bong culture, and I believe that one bindi can change your entire look. And in Bengali, bindi known as tip, Banglaয় bindi ke tip bola hoy. And for my tip, for my bindi, I choose that same lip shade, which is I am orchid, and as I told you before that it is kind of a red pink shade, so I choose this shade for my bindi. So guys, that is my final look, and these are my top 5 lipstick hacks. And guys, I believe that lipstick is that kind of makeup product which we can use for multi-purpose. And yeah, that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.